Commutes in the U.S. National Park Service. It's at, was it 5:30 this morning. We boarded a small boat that's about the length of this stage up here. And we left the one developed area in all of Glacier Bay National Park called Bartlett Cove. It's where we have our ranger station and there's a little visitor information station there. And we came out and met your big ship at 6 a.m. Did anybody see a little boat pull up alongside of you this morning? Okay, yeah, a lot of early risers out there and thinking like, what are they doing? Why are they getting so close to the ship? So we come out in that little boat, and the captain of our little boat executes what is sometimes referred to as a controlled collision. Your boat is cruising along at about 7 knots. We match speed and course, move up alongside of your big ship, and your ship lowers down a rope ladder, and we climb on board. It's not as crazy as it sounds. It's all very, very well thought out, but it is the sort of commute you don't need a lot of coffee for. So we climb on board. We climb on board specifically to bring the park to you. This afternoon, around 2:30, we're going to be repeating that process in reverse. So if you're interested, as we journey on up, the real highlight of the day, the thing definitely not to miss, around 9 a.m., will be Marjorie Glacier, a full-on tidewater glacier. Tidewater is a category glacier there. It forms in the mountains, flows all the way down the valley, and then reaches the ocean, and possibly, occasionally, calves into the ocean. We'll spend about an hour with that glacier. Closer to onboard glaciers. And one very obvious is that we have floating ice bridges all along the vessel. The water in this area is colder than when we started out. The second change might be harder to notice, but the water is under pressure. Tidewater glaciers, freshwater surfaces, place a layer of water on the side. That layer is also freshwater. If you tasted it, it would be as salty as the ocean. And then the third change that you notice in the water is the coloration. That coloration is due to the glacial flower floating in the water. Glaciers, as they travel across landscapes, mountain valleys, lined off thin layers of glacial rock. And it's so fine, it's often referred to as glacial flower. It's colorful.
Thank you.